Hey guys, today's workout is a upper body and core workout. We are focusing mainly on our arms, but we are also working that core throughout the whole routine. This is a really good strengthening core routine as well as making our arms nice and strong. Okay guys, so we're gonna start off with the inchworm. So we're gonna start at the end of our mat with our feet together. We're gonna walk out to the plank and walk back in. We're gonna take this 4 times. Go at your own speed. As you walk back, you can keep their knees bent. Okay, last one. Okay, find your plank. We're gonna walk our hands up and down. We're gonna go to our elbows and hands. 2. Keep it nice and tight. 3. And 4. And 5. Pull that core in. 6. 2 more. And 7. Up. And 8. Hold it here. We're gonna rock it and body saw. 1 more 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come back up. We're gonna walk it side to side. Out, in, out, out. You might come slightly off your mat, but just keep that body nice and tight from the core to the arms, all the way down to our legs. Hold it back into the middle. We're gonna go up to downward dog. Take it down to press up. We're gonna take this 4 times. And up, down. Again, go at your own speed if you need to. This is our number 3. Down. Put it nice and tight. This is 4. Go back to our body rock. Okay, hands flat. On the elbows, we're gonna reach out for 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nice. Lift them hips up and down. Lift up, down, up, and down, and up. Last one. Hold it. Hold down. Okay. We're gonna take tricep dips. Push it up, down, down, down. Really push them elbows back. Woo. Keeping the rest of that body nice and tight. Bring that core in, nice and tight. We're gonna finish it out to the rest of the music with these tricep dips. Hold it down and bounce. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Push up, down, up, down. 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lower down. Thank you so much for working out with me today. Don't forget to check out some of my other workouts. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, leave me a comment, and tag me in any videos that you make on Instagram. I'd love to see you working along with me.